Hi, welcome to my max session. So in today's session, you're going to see how to solve an exponent problem. If you want to know about the basics and what are the rules and or the laws of exponents, you can view my previous video. With that, let's get started. And before solving, I would always suggest you as to keep the laws of exponents or the rules of exponents sheet separately. For example, you can that is you can write all the rules in a separate sheet of paper before solving the problem. With this sheet we can solve the problem very easily, and this will avoid a lot of confusions, and also this will save a lot of time. So let's get started. The given sum is not definitely not a basic one, so it has got a negative exponent. It has got okay, this has not doesn't got a power of power rule. Okay, let's get started. So it is 8 x to the power 1 y square divided by 9 x square y to the power minus 3 multiplied by 3 x power 1 y power 4 divided by 16 x power minus 1 y power y cube. Okay, fine. So I'm going to solve. So 8 x y square. So I'm going to keep my 9 as it is. I'm going to take my x square to the numerator, so this will become negative exponent, and y minus y to the power minus 3 to the numerator will become positive exponent, right? So what is the rule I've applied here? I will apply the negative exponent rule, that is 1 by a to the power minus n can be written as a to the power n. My negative will become positive exponent if I'm going to take it to the numerator, right? That is the rule. So multiplied by 3 by 16, again x to the power 1 y to the power 4. I'm going to take my x to the power minus 1 to the numerator, so it will become positive integer, and y to the power minus 3. Here it is already positive, so when you take to the numerator it will become negative. Same law applies. Law, that is the rule of negative exponent applies here. Now I'm going to solve this. Okay, so I'm going to cancel 8, 2, 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are. Okay, so it will become, I'm going to multiply, it will become 1 by 6. Now I'm going to solve my x and y. So I'm going to collect all my like base. So this one I'll have to add, this one I'll have to add. So here product rule applies, that is the product rule with the same base. See this one, product rule with the same base. A to the power m into a to the power n is nothing but you have to have the same base. You can just add your exponents. So I'm going to write my x same. I'm going to add my exponents. X, if there is nothing, it means it is raised to power 1. So 1 plus, what is this power? It is negative. So I'm going to write in the within brackets. Again 1. So plus 1. Again 1 more. So I've written the base x. I'm applying here product rule with the same base. So I'm going to add all my exponents. So 1 plus minus 2, because it is a negative exponent, so I've written within brackets plus 1 plus 1. Again the same way I'm going to y. I'm going to gather all the powers. So 2, there is no sketch. Okay, so 2, again this one, and this one. So y to the power 2 plus y to the power 3. So plus y to the power 4 plus y to the power of minus 3. I'm going to write within brackets. I'm going to solve now. So 1 by 6 will remain the same. So x to the power minus 1, plus 1, plus of minus will become minus 2. So 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 will be 2. Again y. So 2 plus 3 will be 5, 9 plus into minus will be minus. My sign will be minus here. So minus 3. So it will be 1 by 6 x to the power 1. So minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. I just got 1, and y to the power 9 minus 3 will be 6. So my answer will be x y to the power 6 divided by 6. So this is my answer. So this is how we'll have to solve an exponent problem. So what are the rules we have applied? We have applied negative exponent rule, that is a to the power minus n will become a to the power n. This rule we have applied, and we have applied the vice versa of this rule also. Okay, then we have applied the product rule with the same base, that is a to the power m into a to the power n will become a to the power m plus n. This rule also we have applied. So I think only these two rules we have applied here. Yes. So this is how we'll have to solve the problem. In case if you find this video useful in some way or other, kindly please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you then. Bye bye.